If your automated test only runs on your own machine, is it truly automated? I would say not. An automated test, to be of value to yourself and to your team, needs to run on a CI server. It needs to run automatically. It needs to run whenever a change happens. Otherwise, what you have is a tool that you've created to help your own manual testing. Now, your tool could be your computer, or it could be a test script. It's still a tool for manual testing. It's only truly automated if it's part of the build process, if it's part of the CI pipeline, if whenever you change the code, whenever a developer changes some code, your test gets executed. That's what you want to aim for. Make your automation as seamless and as integrated into the build process as possible. So that was my quick thought for today. Thanks for listening, folks.